Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will see how to conditionally render elements, HTML elements in the templates, and we will also see how to loop through list and display elements in Ember.js using the handlebars syntax template. So in this video we will be making a few upgrades to the existing application that we made last time. So I have given the dynamic text in the button. So when I click on the button, it changes the text inside it. And you can also see a number of images being displayed. Earlier it was only one in our previous video. So let's see how these were implemented. So for the button part, I have used if logic. So in the JavaScript part, you could see that there is nothing big that has been changed. It's the same empty glimmer component for the button that we created earlier. But in the template file, you could see we have this strange syntax. So we have passed this boolean variable is blue flag from the images component. So inside image component, you could see we have defined this variable is blue flag, and we are setting a boolean value to it, that is the is blue, which is computed in the JS part. So this is a simple if logic which we apply on this variable. So if this variable is true, this part will be displayed, and if it is a false, this part will be displayed. And we are closing the if logic with slash in this double curly braces syntax, and we are starting the if logic with a hash symbol. So let's see how this works now. So when I click on this button, it just changes the text to blue to green, and anything that comes in front of this is nothing but the value that comes in the yield. So we already saw in the previous video that yield is nothing but whatever we give inside this button tag, there is this components tag that will come in the yield place. So if you could see here in the card button tab, we have given change bg color, and here we have given 2 green. So combining these two is what we see here. So we have seen the conditional rendering of templates. So let's see how to loop through the list. So what we saw is we are looping a list and displaying the images here. So for this, we need to create a list. In our example, I have created it in the images component. So in the images component, you could see img list is nothing but a basic JavaScript array. It has strings which are nothing but the URLs for the images. So in the HBS file, that is the template file, we are using this each syntax. So inside the double curly braces, similar to the if logic, we are starting this with the hash symbol, and we are ending it by closing it with the slash symbol. And this dot image list is nothing but the image list variable, which the array variable that we created. And we are also declaring the values to a new variable, which is the iterating variable. So this image source will be having each values from this image list. So this image source variable is also used for defining the values inside the content as well. As you could see here, we are setting src equal to image source, which is nothing but this temporary variable that we have created. So if I remove an image from here, so I'm removing the Ember logo. So you could see here this Ember image will be removed right now. once the server reloads. Yeah. Hope this video was very useful. Subscribe for more such videos. And thanks for watching.